Good day! I am Irix Maria B. Delanon, and this is for today's kalaman. I will teach you on how to use Matlab Learners App. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Before we proceed to Matlab Classification Learner App, the first step is you must have a dataset. Guys, your dataset must be in spreadsheet. If we say spreadsheet, this must be in CSV or XLS file type. You can get the data through online, which is mag-search tayo on any website. For now, I will get dataset from Kaggle website. Just go to Google, then search www.kaggle.com. Here I chose the urine analysis data. First, I am going to check the spreadsheet. Here, there are 79 rows and 7 columns. Meron itong 79 urine specimens that we're going to check if nakaka-apekto ba yung characteristic sa formation ng calcium oxalate crystals. We have the columns R, which indicator of presence of calcium oxalate crystals. Also, we have gravity, pH, osmo, con, short for conductivity. Lastly is urea. Now, I'm going to download it. So, balik tayo dito. Click lang natin yung download icon. And if we have downloaded it, just click the file and open it on your Excel. Now we have, or let's say there are 79 rows and 7 columns, which what I said earlier, meron tayong 79 urine specimens. I'm going to cut or remove the first column. And ililipat natin ito sa bandang right side of the spreadsheet. Just cut and paste it. So I need to cut or move it so for us to have an accurate result. Now, let's proceed to Matlab Classification Learner Apps. Kung wala ka pa, you can download it online. Now, search ko lang itong Matlab sa aking PC and I'm going to run this. Dito ipapasok natin yung spreadsheet natin sa Matlab by doing some steps. By the way, you can pause this video and play it again if mabilis yung process na ginagawa ko. If nag-open ng Matlab, just go to the upper side sa may bandang up. Click nyo lang itong classification learner. See, here lumabas yung ating command window and nag-open siya ng bagong tab. Just wait for a while habang nagdo-loading. Here, click nyo yung new. And then, hanapin natin yung spreadsheet natin din download or yung dataset natin. And then, kung hindi nyo makita, just click yung file type. Here, nag-open na and nag-import itong ating datasheet. Katapos natin i-select all lahat ng datas, we're gonna use just click the import selection. And wait for a little while. You will see the variables in the columns are the input. These variables are the characteristics of urine samples. And the output is the R, which is the indicator of calcium oxalate crystals. Now we set the validation to 10 because I want it to be equal to the first classifier. Just click the arrow and set it to 10. And we just click the cross validation and start the session. The results are starting to process and we will notice it here on the left side of the screen. Just wait for a little while. Here in classes, the blue one is for 0 or the absence of calcium oxalate crystals and the red one is for the presence of the calcium oxalate crystals in urine samples. Here, just look on the left side for history tab, the 3, showing the accuracy results on every classifiers. Now the results are showing. They're showing the accuracy percentage. As you can see, the highest accuracy has the box on the percentage number. And we will wait for a while to complete all the accuracy numbers of the classifiers. The ensemble classifier got the highest accuracy with a percentage of 79.7%. Current model, the accuracy is 79.7% and the time trained is 3.46 seconds. And tingin tayo sa may bandang graph. Yung dots is the correct. And kapag naka-cross out or X, that is the model prediction na is incorrect. I will hide the one which is the presence of oxalate crystals and also 0 or the blue for the absence. So here ito yung ating result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.